How to add milestone in Monday.com 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be adding a milestone in Monday.com in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to add a milestone for yourself, what you're simply going to be doing is first of all, you're going to make sure that you have a proper project management center set up over here. Now, to go ahead and add a milestone or create a milestone chart for yourself, what you're going to be doing is first of all, you're going to make sure that you have the timeline view. Okay. So to get the timeline view, you're going to make sure that you can either get the calendar in or you get the Gantt in. Preferably, people go with the Gantt view because the Gantt view works best when it comes to adding milestones. And let's say we're going to come right over here, and this is our milestone, and you can go ahead and create this as a recurrent task without any information in it, and you can make this your milestone just the way you want. So it's actually shown in the actual timeline for key milestones, and it is, technically a variance detector. So you can simply use the different, you could say, tasks you have, and obviously don't actually create a task, but just use that task board to make this view. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.